Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to check and adjust the video quality on Amazon Prime Video so you can improve playback or save data. First, open the Amazon Prime Video app or go to the Prime Video website and sign into your account. Once your movie or TV show starts playing, pause the video to bring up the playback menu. Next, look for the settings or gear icon on the screen and select it. From the menu, choose Video Quality or Streaming Quality. You'll see different quality options such as Best, Better, Good, or Data Saver, depending on your device. Select the option that works best for your internet speed or data usage. After selecting your preferred quality, resume the video and the new settings will apply automatically. If you're using a mobile device, you can also adjust video quality from the Amazon Prime Video app settings. Open the app, go to Settings, tap Streaming and Download, then choose your preferred streaming quality. And that's how you check and adjust video quality on Amazon Prime Video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.